Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a guide to Python code generator tools with code examples. Introduction. Python code generator tools are invaluable for automating the process of creating repetitive or boilerplate code, saving time, and reducing the likelihood of errors. In this tutorial, we'll explore the concept of code generation and showcase some popular Python tools to generate code automatically. We'll also provide practical examples to illustrate their usage. Code generation is the process of creating source code automatically, typically based on specific rules, templates, or models. It helps developers avoid repetitive tasks, maintain consistency, and improve productivity. Jinjia 2 is a widely used template engine for Python. It allows you to define templates with placeholders and fill them in with dynamic data. Installation. Example, generating HTML code. YAPF is a formatter that automatically formats Python code according to the specified style guide. Installation. Example, formatting Python code. Code generation tools in Python, such as Jinjia 2 and YAPF, can significantly enhance your development workflow. By automating repetitive tasks and ensuring code consistency, these tools contribute to more maintainable and error-free code. Explore their features and integrate them into your projects to streamline your development process. ChatGPT.